Is your TikTok verification code not coming on your iPhone? In this advanced video, I'll show you how you can solve this TikTok code not coming on iPhone problem. So without any further delay, let's get started. Before moving on, make sure that your Wi-Fi or internet connection is on. Try airplane mode on and off. Solution 1. Clear app cache. First, open up the settings. Then tap on General. Next, tap on iPhone storage. Now scroll down and find the TikTok app. If you don't find the TikTok app here, tap on Show All. Next, tap on TikTok. Then tap Offload. And again, tap Offload. After that, tap Reinstall it. Now go back. Here, make sure to free up storage if it shows full. If your iPhone storage is full, it might not be able to receive any new messages. Delete some files, unused apps, or some old messages to free up space. Now try to resend the code. If it still doesn't work, then follow the next solution. Solution 2. Reinstall TikTok app. Press and hold the app from the home screen. Then tap Remove app. After that, tap Delete app. Now go to the App Store. Tap on search icon from below. Type TikTok. Now install the app again. Check your issue whether it's solved. Solution 3. Check iOS updates. Open Settings, tap General, then tap Software Update. If you see that any software update is available, then update your software and see if the problem is fixed. Solution 4. Reset network settings. Open Settings, tap General, scroll down, then tap Transfer or Reset iPhone. After that, tap Reset. Now tap Reset Network Settings. This will reset settings like Wi-Fi, password, but won't delete your data. Then enter the passcode of your iPhone if it wants. Tap Reset Network Settings again. After the resetting network, go ahead and check whether your problem is solved or not. Hope these solutions worked. If this video helped you out, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. If you have any questions, write them in the comments below and I'll get back to you real soon. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.